All right, Mark Leese here, and there is a lot of interest in my IPN lead sync function here, and we're going to just get right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how the API forwarder works. I've done other videos on how the IPN sync works. So we've created a couple of accounts here, and I'm adding to it. Right now, it comes with JVZoo and PayPal, but I'm going to be adding ClickBank. Oh, ClickBank is added already. My coder is working on it right now. I'm going to be adding Shopify and some others. Obviously, I have a couple that I've created, a couple of accounts, my JVZoo account and my PayPal. You just put in, for example, your PayPal email address. You can put in your JVZoo secret key, your ClickBank secret key, and so forth to create your account. From there, you need to create your product. Now this is the same product title as the product that you're selling at PayPal or JVZoo or ClickBank. For example, JVZoo, you click on there and put in your product ID. Now in the video I showed you how to get your product ID. You put in your title right there. In this video I'm going to show you how the API forwarders works. Now when you go to JVZoo, you'll notice that this is the IPN that you put inside this field right here. What this does, it takes a transaction on every sale that you made. For example, I have a product, it's called test product. Every time this product is sold, it sends the customer name and email address and all the information to CTA Monster, the JVZoo IPN. And this is the URL you put in right there. All this information goes to CTA Monster on this transaction. CTA Monster will take this and it'll do a number of things. Whatever you put inside here, it'll first of all, it'll subscribe it to as many autoresponders and GoToWebinar and so forth as you want, multiple autoresponders and so forth. But it also, not only will it subscribe it to all those different autoresponders and GoToWebinar and so forth, but also you can forward it to other scripts that you have. For example, I'm going to take this one, for example. Let's just go into this one right here. This is the test product. I can edit it. This is the test product. So here's a test product that I've created. And you can see here that I can add a forwarder. For example, I'm going to add a forwarder to my license guard. For example, I sell a software. And it's going to be a, video player IPN. So for example, I sell some video players that are WordPress plugins, and I have a licensing script. And so you can add your licensing script IPN, so it'll automatically send the licensing key to every time this product is sold. You can add another forwarder, and say for example, I'm going to add a forwarder to a my membership script IPN. Okay, so what happens is the information is going to come in from JVZoo. It's going to auto subscribe it to my autoresponders and GoToWebinar registration and so forth, and then it's going to forward it to any other scripts that I want to subscribe to. For example, if I have a licensing script, it can forward the information to there, and it'll automatically send that person a license key. You can send it to a membership script, so it'll automatically subscribe that person to a membership area, and it'll send that person, the information in their email and so forth. So what happens is that for one transaction, you can have a person be subscribed to autoresponders and multiple autoresponders for teams. You can have it registered to a webinar, and you can also have your licensing keys and your membership scripts all given to the customer and sent to their inbox, all on one transaction, all on Autopilot. So this is perfect. This is great. I should rename this to the product launch, IPN Monster, because this is a great feature, and this is exactly how you do it. And it works like gangbusters. I have tested it, and I've had other people tested it, and it works perfect. Thank you.